अब स्पेस में जितना आप लिख सकते हो लिख लो. They'll give the word limit, but space is the constant. Time is the constant. What does it mean? See, when you're approaching this question or this question, you should have some ready-made logic in your mind. Then only you can write in that time frame. क्योंकि number of questions बहुत ज़्यादा हो गए. The lesser the mark, the more number of questions they can ask, and time will be taken will be almost same. क्यों? क्योंकि सोचना तो पड़ेगा ना. अगर आपको लगा मुझे 10 मार्क्स लिखते हैं, अरे मैं लिख दूंगा, बट आपको सोचना तो पड़ेगा ना, क्योंकि 10 मार्कर्स हैव बिकम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. सो ओवरऑल टाइम दैट यू राइट इन द एग्जाम इज नॉट इंक्रीजिंग. यू कैन नॉट हैव लिबर्टी ऑफ हैविंग what you can say spare time to look at the question. You don't have. When it was 60 marks, right, or just 30 marks, it was easy for us to spare 10 minutes and see the question. अभी नहीं है, क्योंकि इतने diverse topics हैं. So see, in the 10 marker, they are asking conceptual question. It will take time for you to think about it and write it. Okay, that time will be the time which you would have given to 30 marks. But आप उसमें से भी थोड़ा सा time spare करके 10 markers को लिखोगे. क्यों? Because you can get more marks there. It's easy to score 6 or 5 out of 10. Then 20 out of 30. It's very difficult to score that. क्योंकि एक एग्जामिनर जो है ना, उसका माइंडसेट क्या है कि 30 मार्क्स में कोई बहुत अच्छा भी लिखेगा तो क्या लिखेगा, 15, 16, 17 मार्क्स, हाँ ठीक है बहुत अच्छा, सी, बट उसको 10 मार्क्स में देने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. वाई? बिकॉज मोर ऑब्जेक्टिव इन नेचर. सो ही विल इवैल्यूएट इन दैट फ्रेमवर्क दैट इन 10 मार्क्स दिस पर्सन हैज गिवन द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. अच्छा फाइन, ठीक है. बट जैसे ही 30 मार्क्स या 20 मार्क्स होगा, सब्जेक्टिविटी बढ़ जाएगी. So he might have a frame of answer in his mind. Yeah, he might be having that answer sheet, right, which he'll use to evaluate, and that will have maybe have a different orientation than what you have written. So many times this brings subjectivity. Scaling to high, that is a different aspect. But in general, so when you're writing a lot of long answers, you probably fail to impress the examiner. In short answers, you can impress him instantly.